Hi, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to make collection titles bold in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store on the left. Just click it. The themes page will open. Go to your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu will appear. Click Edit Code. The theme files page will open. In Filter Files, search for base.cs. A file named base.cs will appear. Click it to open your store's appearance script. All store appearance code is here. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the bottom, there's a blank line. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description, and you'll find the code we need there. We're going to click the button to copy the code. Just click that button. After copying, go back to Shopify and paste the code in the blank line. After pasting, go to the top right where you'll see the Save button. Just click it. After clicking, the changes are saved successfully. Now, on any category page, you'll see the title is correctly bolded in your store. I hope this video helped. Bye!